Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video, we are going to learn about random modules. So random module allows to generate a random numbers or a random data. Random module is a Python built-in module. You don't need to install that module. So for importing a random module, you have to just write import random. Okay. Now, what if you want to generate a random numbers between 1 to 10 integer random numbers? Okay, so that time you can simply use random dot rand int, and inside that you have to pass a range. Let's say I want to generate a random numbers between 1 to 100. 1 to 100. Now I am going to store this whole line of code inside one variable. So let's say number. So let's print our num. So whenever I run the code, you can see that we are getting a different numbers. So let's 88, 99, 30, 22, 17. Okay. What if we want to generate a random float point number? So that time we can use a random dot uniform. Okay, and inside that you have to pass a range. Here I pass the 1 to 100, and now I am going to run the code. So here you can see that whenever I run code, that every time I am getting new numbers, new random numbers. Let's say here 44.52, 34.41, 66, 86.41. Okay. So now we want to generate a random number between 0 to 1. That time Python provides us one method that is called random.random, and inside that parameter you don't need to pass anything. Now here you can see that we are getting a 0.45, a 0.09, a 0.41, 0.20. Okay, a random numbers between 0 to 1. Now, so I created a one list. So here you can see that I created one list of games. Okay, now I have one list of games. Now I want to get a random games from our list. So that time we can use a random dot choice module. Okay, random dot choice method. Choice, and inside that parameter you have to pass your list. So here I am passing my game. Now I am going to run our code. So here you can see that I am getting a random game from our list. So Apex Legend, Dirty Rally 2.0. Okay, so whenever I run our code, that every time I am getting a new numbers. Okay, sorry, new games. You can see that. Okay. What if I wanna get more than one or two games? Okay, so that time I can use choices, and inside that as a k I have to pass. Let's say I wanna get 3 games, so I can pass 3. Now here you can see that I am getting 3 random games from our list. Okay. So first I am going to erase this. Now we wanna shuffle our data. Okay, so let's create one list, my list. Inside that list I am going to generate a random numbers. Okay, sorry, not random numbers, a range number between 1 to 100. So I can use range 1 to 100. Now I am going to print our my list. So here you can see that we are getting numbers between 1 to 99. Now we want to shuffle this list. Okay, so Python provides a random module provides us a shuffle module. Okay, shuffle method. So we can simply use random dot shuffle, and inside that you have to pass your list. Okay, and after that I am going to print our list. Okay, so here you can see that this is our list before shuffled, and this is our list after shuffled. Okay, so here you can see that every time I run our code, that time we are shuffling our list. Okay, so if you want to generate a random password or token, that time you should not use a random module. For that Python provides us one secret module. Okay, so you can check this in Python documentation. Okay, so if you want to generate a cryptographics or a security for a security purposes, that time you can use a secret module. So here you can read this. The secret module is used for generating a cryptographically strong random numbers. Okay, so guys, you can read this in our Python documentation. So guys, that's it for this video. If you have any question about the random modules, you can just ask me in comment section below. Thanks for watching this video.